Hey y'all, it's your Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have got this super bold, super bright look for the holiday season. Anytime I think of Christmas, I think of reds and greens because that's the traditional Christmas colors. So I wanted to pull out a nice green look, super easy. It's kind of like a faux cut crease of sorts because you know how a cut crease is basically designed to give you more lid space. A faux cut crease is like you've cut the crease but you haven't cut the crease. It's not as crisp, it's not as clean, but it's still very effective. I look like I have entirely more lid space than I was actually blessed with. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching and I'll see y'all at the end. Alright y'all, here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!